Welcome. Today we're going to talk about how to self-manage diarrhea using reflexology. My name is Anne from Energy Reflexology. Let's start with the hands. The ascending colon is on the right side of the abdomen with the transverse colon across just below the rib cage, and the descending colon is then on the left side of the body going down towards the anus. On the hands, we see the ascending colon on the right side of the body of the hand, transverse colon to the thumb, and then we go from the thumb across to the descending colon. When we have diarrhea, we want the body to hold on to the fecal matter longer. So we're going to work against how the colon eliminates. So we start with the descending colon and work against it, so it will not eliminate as quickly. And you can do that using your finger or your knuckle. And then we go across to the thumb, and then we take over on the other hand and work towards the side of the hand below the little finger. And from there, we work down against the ascending colon. This means that the colon, the peristaltic movement is too strong, and we're going to work to soothe that so that it doesn't eliminate the fecal matter as quickly, and your body will hold on to it a bit longer. So again, left hand up, descending colon, transverse colon, and ascending colon. If you have cramping or any pain in the lower abdomen, there is an acupressure point that can be used for any pain in the body, and that is large intestine 4. It is on the dorsal part of the hand, and it is below the index finger against the bone here, and you can press on it with your finger or your thumb, it doesn't matter, and we work it on both hands. If you are pregnant, please do not work these points. Then we go to the face. As I mentioned, the ascending colon is on the right side, and then we've got the transverse colon and the descending colon. Like on the hands, we work against that. So we start with the descending colon and work against it, the transverse colon and the ascending colon. And we do this firmly enough so you can feel the pressure and you can see the skin move. If you caress without putting much pressure on, nothing much will happen. We do this 50 times. So up against the descending colon, transverse colon, and ascending colon, 50 times. There are some points that you can work on the face as well that will support all this. It will help with cramping, it will help with pain, it will help to soothe the colon and support elimination of toxins as well, so that they don't leach back into the system, and that helps with your immune system. The first one I'd like to work is the one below the lower lip and just above where the chin rounding is, so in the hollow, and you can press on there and hold it for 50 seconds. And I like to use this point just with my fingers so that I reach a larger area. If you wish, you can use a cotton bud, place it in the middle and press on it and hold for 50 seconds as well. This will help the cramping and the overactive movement of the colon to be soothed so that it's a bit calmer in how it works. The second point you can work is just below it on the rounding of the chin, not exactly in the middle, a bit higher, And you can place a cotton bud there and hold that one for 10 to 30 seconds. One that helps with contractions, and please do not do this one if you're pregnant, is just at the base of the nose, and you hold it here for 10 to 30 seconds. So it's really in the middle, and I can feel my bone there. It looks like I'm not in the middle, but I am. All our noses are different. Then you can work this one here as well, in the middle between the base of the nose and the upper lip. And again, work this one very gently if you're pregnant. And with the gum and the teeth, it's probably a bit more difficult to hold it. So these are the points on the face and the area, the zone to work for diarrhea. The ear, we can work this easily as well. And here's my trusted ear. The opening towards the ear canal is here, and the outer edge of the ear comes in here, and it's just this area where we have the large intestine and small intestine points. So it is not necessary to find the points itself, but if you find one that is a little bit sharper, please work that one. But you can massage that whole area here, which is, when you look here, we're coming down and in, and this is the hollow here, and you can massage it with your finger this way. And of course, we do both ears. So this is what you can do at home when you have diarrhea, to help soothe the colon, to help it to hold on to the fecal matter a bit longer, and also relieve cramping and pain in the lower abdomen. Enjoy using them. Bye for now.